Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, my dear viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. Now, today I am going to discuss the last method, that is method number 7 for the preparation of alkanes, and it is called the electrolysis method. It is in the board paper, it may be included in long question as well. इसका एक कंप्लीट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी आता है और आया भी हुआ है पुराने बोर्ड्स के एग्जाम में. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसका रिएक्शन है एंड देन इट्स मैकेनिज्म एज वेल. नाउ व्हाट इज कोल्स मेथड, हाउ इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस विल बी डन, वी विल स्टडी इट इन डिटेल. For electrolysis, we need aqueous sodium and potassium salt. We need aqueous sodium or potassium salt of monocarboxylic acid. And these monocarboxylic acid should be saturated. Let us take a cell and in which we have added sodium acetate and water. Sodium acetate, water is converted into hydrogen and hydroxide ions, while sodium acetate is converted into acetate ion and sodium ions. It is connected with anode and cathode. Anode and cathode are connected with the battery, and at anode oxidation will take place. That is, this is the positive terminal of the battery, and the cathode at cathode reduction reaction will take place, and this is the negative plate. And my dear students, now what are the reactions which takes place at anode and cathode during electrolysis? Now let us take the example, that is, this is its name is this is a reaction sodium acetate. This is sodium acetate. When it is reacted with water, then when it is reacted with water, then this you may see that this carbon dioxide will be produced, hydrogen gas is also produced, and sodium hydroxide will also be produced here, and the last but not the least, the main product is ethane. We have obtained ethane by the process which is called the electrolysis method. And what we are studying about the preparation of alkane. So we have produced alkane by sodium or potassium salt of monocarboxylic acid, and now this is the reaction we have produced. This is a single step reaction, main reaction, how alkane is produced by monocarboxylic acid, that is called the electrolysis method. Now we will study the mechanism. Now I am going to tell you in detail about the mechanism of this reaction. And you know that what is the ionization process? This is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate ionizes into acetate ion and sodium ion. It is the first step, that is ionization. Sodium acetate ionizes into acetate ion and sodium ion. And now we will study at anode and cathode reactions. At anode, you know, at anode there is always oxidation reaction, and this is the acetate ion. You have seen that this acetate ion has negative charge. This acetate, you know that oxygen has 6 electrons, 2, 2, 4, 5 and 6 electron, and it has gained 1 electron from sodium. It has gained one electron from sodium. Therefore, it is converted into negative ion because of the presence of 1 extra electron. This acetate ion has 1 more electron, 1 extra electron instead of it's already ions. When it gain one electron, then it will be converted into CH3, C double bond O negative. O नेगेटिव क्यों आया है? क्योंकि एक एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है इसने गेन कर लिया है. किससे गेन की है? सोडियम से. एंड इन दिस वे acetate ion, this acetate ion, now what is the mechanism here? This acetate ion will lose its extra electron. So in order to balance the equation, I have used here 2 and 2 as well. 2 electron will be removed, and therefore when this acetate ion will remove the electron, this acetate ion will be converted into acetate ion radical, acetate free radical. ये फ्री रेडिकल का जो है छोटा सा डॉट जो है मैंने ऐड कर दी है. नाउ फ्री रेडिकल एसीटेट विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड आफ्टर द रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम एसीटेट आयन. एंड नाउ what will happen in the next step? You may see that the bond between carbon and this carbon atom, it will break down. Due to the breakage of bond, this CO2, this there is another bond. This bond will be shifted here, and it is also double bond. This is known as carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced, and this free radical will transfer to methyl group, and methyl free radical will be produced. CH3 इसके ऊपर एक डॉट लगा देंगे फ्री रेडिकल का, और जब ये जो मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल है इसने इसके अंदर बॉन्ड्स की ब्रेकेज हुई. कौन से बॉन्ड की ब्रेकेज हुई? कार्बन कार्बन के दरमियान जो बॉन्ड है ये जब ब्रेक होगा, उस बॉन्ड के ब्रेक होने के नतीजे में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस प्रोड्यूस होगी, एंड मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. एंड नाउ व्हेन 2 methyl radicals will combine with each other, as you know that methyl radical is very reactive. ये फौरन रिएक्ट कर जाते हैं, एंड इन दिस वे इथेन विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड एट, किस पर प्रोड्यूस हुई? एट एनोड. इथेन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड एट एनोड. एंड हियर व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. Oxidation, removal of electron or removal of hydrogen or addition of hydrogen is called oxidation. Students, now I am going to discuss the reactions at cathode. कि कैथोड के ऊपर कौन से रिएक्शन होते हैं. एट कैथोड रिडक्शन विल टेक प्लेस. दिस इज वाटर. This water will gain 2 electrons, and when it gain 2 addition of electron is called reduction. When it gain 2 electron, it will be converted into water, and hydroxide ion will be produced. These hydroxide ions will combine with these sodium ions. These sodium ions will combine with this hydroxide ion and is converted into another byproduct, that is sodium hydroxide. We have obtained 3 byproducts in this reaction. That is, number 1, we have gained carbon dioxide gas. Another byproduct that we have gained hydrogen gas, and we have also produced sodium hydroxide by this process. Hydrogen gas, this is sodium hydroxide, and this is carbon dioxide. These are the byproducts which are produced in this mechanism. My dear students, पेपर में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ये भी आ जाता है, what are the disadvantages of cold electrolysis method? Now there are 2 disadvantages. Number 1, large number of byproducts, that is carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide is produced. So this reaction is less useful in industries. Number 2, by this method we only obtain symmetrical alkanes. My dear students, what are symmetrical alkanes? Those alkanes which contain even number of carbon atoms, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. And we cannot. So carbon, methane is the first member of this group. So we cannot obtain methane by this method. My dear students, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon button.